In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone camera black screen. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So there are some issues when your iPhone or when you open your camera application on iPhone, you're getting a black screen. So in my case right now, I'm just covering my iPhone camera with a block object. So the first fix that you can do is maybe try and clean your lenses. Make sure that there is no object blocking your camera lenses. So as for my case, I'm just blocking mine. So in other cases, maybe there are some apps that are using your camera. So what you want to do is to close all of the other applications. And the next thing that we can do is make sure that our iOS version is up to date. So let's go to our settings, go to general, and go to software update. So we want to make sure that our iPhone is up to date. So if there is an update, what you want to do is to just simply install the update and make sure that your iOS is updated to the latest version. So that's basically all of the fixes for the black screen issue for your iPhone camera. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.